Hey and welcome to this new course of Git and GitHub. In this tutorial we will learn the basic and the master GitHub at the end. So let's start by installing it in our computer and in our machine. First we go to this website git-scm.com. We will click on this button, download for Windows, because for me I have Windows as an operation system. After the installation of Git, it's like the normal installation, next, and then finish. We will open our Git in the computer and it will look just like this. After that we will do some configuration. It's not necessary, but it's good to do. First of all, we click git config -- global, because we want to make it global, and that we start by writing and putting our name. It's like that, and we put it just in those brackets. After we create our name, we will click in enter. After that we will go and create with same command line. We will do our email and we will put our email. It's the same. We will put it in those brackets and we will create our email. For me, my email is that.com. Yeah, and to make sure that those commands are correctly, we will do git config, and after that username or user email, and it should show us the same name or the same email that we put and we enter right before. So as I said, those config are not necessary but are good to do. So let's go to the next.